I'm in Manly, a seaside suburb where I can catch a ferry just down the street to Sydney. The reason why we're here is this beautiful historic home perched on top of the hill. Welcome to Yuggawai. Built in the early 1900s, this historic home has a commanding position right on top of the hill with great views out to the ocean. Of course, a home like this does come with a story. This is the original residence of Mr. Taubman, the creator of Taubmans Paints. I'm working with the new owners who are undergoing a major renovation and transforming this old home into something new for their family. When I first arrived, you couldn't actually see the house from the street. There was lots of trees covering it, and there's an old garage here that really needed a lot of work. Construction has already begun. The garage is gone, and what it's done has opened up this beautiful facade to the street where you can enjoy the original character of this home. The home itself is rich in architectural detail. It's two-storey with these commanding bay windows on the first floor, clad in shingles. A great architectural feature adding lots of texture. Of course, the new owners of this home have bought it because of its historic detail and character, but they do need to change it to suit their modern lifestyle, as well as capturing those amazing ocean views. Of course, it's not just the outside of this home that's going to be completely transformed. The home is full of architectural detail, something you'd expect from an historical residence. Ornate mouldings, decorative arches, an amazing staircase, fireplaces, and beautiful trim in the architrave and the skirting. But one of the most unique features of this home is that fantastic stained glass front door. Now, as you can see, this is a construction zone because there's lots of preparation before we get any renovation started. This is actually an extension, separated from the main part of the home, linked only by a walkway through the study. The new homeowners want to link this space with the original formal part of the home. So we've been working out with the builder that we're actually going to cut through that wall and make a new entrance linking the two spaces. This in turn opens up design possibilities by placing the kitchen along this wall. Of course, the fun part of any renovation is all of the colour possibilities. For me, I'm like a kid in a candy shop. Now, this house has over 100 years of history, and along that time, it's been changed and transformed as different people have lived here. But one thing that's been here all along is the shed behind me. This was actually the shed where Mr. Taubman mixed and created paints. So this is one feature that the owners and I are keen to retain, ensuring that the character and story of this home will be continued for another 100 years. One of the most amazing things about this home is, of course, its location, perched on the hill with that amazing view. And as part of this renovation, the new homeowners are adding a new large veranda on top of the existing one, meaning that they'll be able to access through new French doors and enjoy that beautiful view every day. This is a historic home, over 100 years old, and it's rich in timber detail with all these paneling in the doors, skirting, architraves, and amazing ceilings. Because there's also lots of natural light, I could play with the walls a little bit darker than I might normally go. Light walls, dark walls, it's time to start playing with some colour.